Double Diamond Railroad Bank just had an extra large Dunkin' with a shot of espresso. And we worked down here yesterday afternoon, a little bit this morning, and again, did some more things right now. And we did that trick we told you about in the last video about the lights, and that works. So we've got the light working on the rear of the consist. I could turn on the middle engine lights too if I wanted to, but this is more realistic. Watch. That's forward, out the front, and there's reverse. So you can run double-headed. Okay, we're going back down to the depot. We had him out of the way testing a 1000 F7, and it's still got problems. I cleaned these switches, the one right there in front of you on the left, with alcohol swabs. 91% got in there, got some brown paint out, but that thing still shorts as soon as it gets on the point rails. Tried pushing it with a P42 Amtrak, same thing. So I'm asking the guy that had it, did he run it heavy use, moderate use, or barely use? I'm thinking the trucks are worn out. The wheels are wallowed out up in the trucks. Might need new trucks. So going to depend on what he says, and then this summer, when he slow down out there in Colorado, Intermountain, I'll write up a ticket online and send it out there. Try to get new trucks or something. Tell them what's going on. It runs, but then it hits that and dead short. So it's got to be something with the trucks. Bring them back to the depot where they belong for now. We're just going to mess around. Got some energy from the coffee. Waiting on the big storms. Cleared on midnight. Supposed to have gorilla-sized hail. Look at him flashing. So we're going to have to clean that one. Same way with the alcohol. This is where I hand painted before I left on our trip. So it's in the point rail. Do you think you got it with the mister and scrubbing? It doesn't. I had to soak the swab and rub it between the rails. Then you get stuff coming out, brown stripes.
The electric is secured at Mason.
Nobody else messes up on those two switches. Stop right there before we tripped it. We're going to back up anyway because I got to have some headroom out here. Going to switch to concrete. That'll do. Now he can quiet down and we'll go start up the old Alco. See what he can do. I better wipe the track real quick too. Okay, here we go. We got him recovered. Kill some power back there. We don't need it. So there he is. Headlight, reverse. Start him up. We haven't done this for a long time. Got to get my stick out. Couple. Good news over here. We got our, I'll show you in a little bit. We got our boxcar roof replaced and back on the rails. My wife was able to get that popped in. Took a while. And we're starting to get ready to go through the engines that need wire repairs on the trucks. The old Alco, and I'll have to open up these other ones, see if they got what kind of board they got in them. Get some TCS boards on the way. That's a low priority. You've got to get the Alco running. I got 2 of them. Repair their wires, feeder wires. Okay, switches. There. Now he's aligned. Let's bring them on out. Pull them out, we can see what we're doing here. And I think, stop right there. Let's see, how do I want to do it? Yeah, I think I want to come out the way it is. We'll grab the 2 hoppers that have to go in with the aggregate. Use them tanks as a handle and shove them back in there. Then store the tanks where the guns came from. We're lined to do that. We're not lined right here. I had it right before. I'd rather do these in the morning, like at 11 a.m., but I'm too busy doing other things. Tracking that severe weather, posting a bunch of things on my Skywarn page. Get everybody ready. Reed Timber thinks we're going to have gorilla-sized hail over Ohio. Right now it's all up north of Lake Erie. So we're going to watch it. It should come down here. Looks like now delayed. I'd say between 7 and 10. Down this far. Down by I-70 almost. You gotta pay attention here. All my favorite scanner feeds are down since the storm 2 weeks ago. I got my stuff back. We're in good shape as of yesterday. Starlink is permanently mounted up on a J-post, the old satellite post up there. Now I got to get a ground wire and run it to my earth ground, common earth ground down below. But we got the cable dressed to the wall of the house and everything. It's all anchored down for a windstorm. Okay, let's get the switch thrown. Love those Alco sounds. And this stuff is still being run in present day, so I have no problem running these Alcos. I've been watching the Fall River Road Railroad, Matty Gunn, and other people covering it. Man, they got RS-32s. That number 2035, that thing is like a raw stack. And it has a problem with its turbine, and the idle goes up and down like mine did here when I showed a couple videos ago. But it's just throaty, raw stuff, no muffling at all. We'll come in here and hook up to the gondola. Hopefully we got him. We'll find out. I'm reversed on direction because of the way the engine's facing. I don't know if it did get him. Let's see. I think he got him. He's away there. Looks like the coupler on the gun's a little bit high, but it may settle down now. We're pulling on it. I think it is. It is high. All these manufacturers It's crazy. All the differences. I mean, don't they ever check their stuff against a gauge before they turn them out? Drives me nuts. Having to fix everything you buy. They're either high or low. A little bit easier when you're an HO to work on stuff like that, Sullivan. It's like, what do? Get in there, put a shim above the coupler to push it down, or what? It's barely hanging on. It's the top of the knuckle of the tank car, sticking up in the air. Sometimes I think about putting some heat on it and bowing them down a little bit. See what that would do. Okay, let's hold up there. Conductor's going to get on that switch. This is relaxing to operate, doing this industry with that engine. It's fun. Gentle little tug. Great sounds on it. I love the engine. Throttle up sounds. ESU. Look sound. So we're doing another video here and see how the sound comes out. I'm standing about 20 inches from the phone. See how the new microphones pick up now. I thought they were doing pretty good on the last one. It's like it was over a year ago before it started going bad. It's slow down here. Getting hot into the shed.
It's going to be for a 7-year-old male, signs of heat exhaustion and confusion at 1552.
I love their flange squeals on this one. Better than the other V4s and some of the V5s on this sound file. Look at that thing creep. It's 1 mile an hour. Idling. Nice. It's not even really a broken engine. It's only run what it's run right here. I don't think I ever put it on a loop or anything. Very good. I forgot the brand now. I think it's an Atlas. Okay, so we're going to stop right there. That'll do, because you got to be able to uncouple. Stand by. Okay, looking good. Back out of there.
Service. 51 and 7, 1555.
By the time we get some horn in there. Got a squeaky horn. Got an air leak. That'll do right there. Throw that switch. Okay, we're going to go right back in where the guns came from. Let's go with coffee time. For them, I already had mine, and they're jealous now. Probably smelled it on my breath. First time I ever got an extra large. Thought I might need it to stay awake for the storms tonight. It's going to be a long, slow event. I just hope it don't come together. I want to see my new flat panel dish up there get ripped off the roof or anything. Now we got to work them super good. I'm actually getting over 100 megabits per second. It's 100 speed, but I'm getting over that. Sometimes I get up to 135, 124, or 104. It's pretty good. Occasionally in the evening when everybody gets home, it'll drop down by half, briefly. Then you pick up a new satellite going over, and it goes right back up. But you got old Virgin Sats up there, and you got V2s. I think there might even be a V3, I'm not sure, I can't remember. Better start paying attention more Falcon launches again, now that I'm invested in it. It's great, I love it. So power goes out, my generator comes on in a split second, and the starting just keeps going like nothing happened. It's on UPS and it's also on the generator. Into a surge bar. A little more. Idle back, creeping back. That might even be a half a mile an hour now. Looks like it. Okay, we'll stop there. That'll do. Shut her down, boys. Tie it down. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll take care of it. Took care of satisfy my need there to switch. Everybody take care. Be safe. I think you'll see this video on Tuesday. Shooting it on Thursday, the week before. And we're just getting back in the groove from being away on a trip with the grandkids and get back on fixing things. Get my Alcos repaired. That's the next step. Take care. Double Diamond Railroad out.